Well, philanthropy isn't about me. It's about others.
It means investing in our community for the future.
Doing what's right, and regardless of the time that it takes.
It is, in fact, hopefully quiet in many respects. It doesn't have to be outspoken.
It started with my family. That's how I was raised. I didn't know any other way. That's what I thought everybody was supposed to do.
I realized that in my life I could take some more risk, and that risk has entailed getting more involved in the nonprofit. And for me, I like to invest in earlier parts of things that need to be changed in our society, or helping build capacity of organizations who have proven that they are unique in providing a wonderful service within our community.
Anytime I could work with kids makes me happy. I love doing things for church, things with the center, things with the city.
I'm a member of a village, and it does take a village to, in fact, raise kids. And youth are my basic concern and passion. And as a member of the village, I can't sit by the sidelines and not participate.
People say when you give, you receive. So when you give, you see the smiles on the kids' faces, and then you receive this heartwarming feeling that makes it all worthwhile.
I really do think it's an investment that provides a tremendous return. And the return comes to me personally through a great deal of joy and satisfaction.
Every year we have a Thanksgiving event at the Boys and Girls Club. And when you see 600 people in line, that's everything. I get emotional when I talk about that. That's everything.
I've been fortunate enough to get thank you notes from kids who I've maybe helped one off, or, just involved in seeing kids make progress. And it's pretty hard not to be uplifted and really energized by their potential and their future if we can only reach out and give them a hand.
And whether we're at the Boys and Girls Club or at church or picking up trash, they're all just as important. It all makes me happy.